Yes, you're very cute. Yes, you. Hi. I'm gonna have to go on a hike, Luna. I'm not gonna be able to, pet you all day, so we'll give you some special attention right now. What do you see out there? Nothing? Okay. Can we not? No, we're trying to do a video. Where are you? Where'd she go? She must be coming down. Oh, there she is. Well, you're the one who did this. What, do you hear the little birdies out there? Oh, yeah, you can kind of see them. She likes watching them. They have like a nest. Where's the other one? Hoop. Yes. And they have a nest somewhere in those trees. And they're really fun to listen to and watch. You get to hear make bird noises really until like, what, 10? 9? When would you say they stop, Luna? Probably when it starts getting dark. Should we call this one bird watching with Luna? All right. Send them off, Luna. Awesome.